Are you a marketer? Looking for new and effective ways to optimize your campaigns? Look no further, as we present to you the top 5 underrated AI tools that are sure to help boost your marketing efforts. Persado. This marketing language generation platform uses AI to analyze large amounts of data and generate persuasive and effective copy for your campaigns. Crayon. This competitive intelligence platform uses AI to track and analyze your competitors' digital strategies, giving you valuable insights into what's working for them and how you can improve your own campaigns. Albert. This marketing automation platform uses AI to analyze real-time data from your campaigns and make adjustments to targeting, ad copy, and budget to improve performance. Quill. This natural language generation platform uses AI to create more engaging and personalized content for your campaigns, tailoring it to specific audiences and channels. Persado Go. This mobile-first optimization platform uses AI to analyze data from your mobile campaigns and make real-time adjustments to targeting, ad copy, and budget to improve performance.
These underrated AI tools are sure to take your marketing efforts to the next level.
Don't wait, give them a try today.